Can you testify of God's saving grace? Has He brought you from a mighty long way? Can you confess that you were foolish and ignorant like a beast before the Lord? Well, today the Word of God acknowledges that though some of us have been or are heedless to God's way, He is holding us. He is the reason why we're still alive. I urge you, do not let go of His hand. Rather, run into His plan for your life. Though you were heedless, He still has need for you. So take heed and take hold of Jesus today. God bless you.